Okay, let's have some fun with some conditional logic in a form. Right, so what we're going to do is this is a traditional form and we're going to add in a single drop down over here. And in the single drop down, we're going to quickly edit these options over here. So we have two options, a home address and a locker option. A locker in South Africa is when we send a parcel or a package to a locker and somebody can collect it at the locker. It's normally a more budget option for shipping. Next, we're going to add in an address. So now we've added in the address and we're going to just uncheck this because we only want to keep a few of these options over here. We've removed state and country and we're going to make street address hidden. We're going to make city hidden and we're going to make postal code hidden. So let's go and have a look on the front end and we can see we've got our single drop down over here. And we've got home address and locker as the two options there. Okay, now we're going to add in a single line text section here because this is going to be the locker. We want the user to add in the locker address. Okay, we've added in the locker address option here. We are going to hide this as well. We're going to make it hidden. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to add in some conditional logic into this form now. How do we do that? We come up to the top left here and we can see it says here open conditional logic. Let's open that up. Next, we're going to click on show and hide fields. So over here, we're going to say if the select option is equal to home address, we want to show this field, which is going to be the street address. We'll save. We're going to add in the next one. When select option is selected over here and it is equal to home address, we want to show this field. We'll save that. When select option is equal to home address, we want to show a field over here and the field that we want to show is going to be the postal code. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to say when the select option is equal to locker, then we want to show this field over here, which is going to be locker. And then we'll save that. All right, so now we've got four conditional logics happening in this form. So we can see our form is literally name, phone, email, and select your option. So if we select home address, the address option shows up. If we then select locker, we'll see locker address shows up. So that is how we do conditional logic, and you can see that this can be quite extensive. So as people are filling in your form, we can show different parts later on in the form as well. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much. This is a game changer. Ciao for now.